Hello everyone, welcome back to NEERJA'S algorithm. Today I am taking your favorite topic, domain. पता है मुझे सबको बड़ा डर लगता है, मुझे भी बहुत डर लगता था, लेकिन आपको इतने इजी वे में बताऊंगी कि आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ जाएगा. But you need to stick with the video till last. Let's start. Domain. Domain means input values. Now, what is the meaning of input values? If I am saying y is equal to f of x, the value of x which satisfies the equation is called as the domain. Now, I made this one. It's an expression in the square root. It's in a denominator and it's normal denominator. When the expression is in a square root, that means the domain will be always you need to take the greater than equal to 0 because it is in the square root. Now when it is in the denominator but in the root, so you always have to take for the domain greater than 0. And if it is in the form of like a p by q, then you need to take for the domain q should not equals to 0. We will do so many questions and you will understand what I wrote for that. Now, please write this one. This is very important. Some of the functions are there. This is a to the power x. The domain will be real number, will satisfies this equation, and it is not a bracket, it is a greatest integer function. This is also the domain will be real number, and it is a fractional part, means x minus greatest integer function real number. And if I am taking the mod of x also, this is also the real number, but the log ka will be always the domain will be 0 to infinity. Let's start with the question. First is f to the power x is equal to 3 to the power x by x plus 1. Now I told you please check with the denominator part. I will check it x plus 1. What I said, if you need to find out the domain, the first step is to the denominator should not equal to 0. Now I am getting x is not equal to minus 1. But we did now only the table for a to the power x type of the function, the domain will be all the real number. So what will happen for the domain of this function? All the real number except minus 1. I got my domain. Understood? Now, another question. I wrote the 3 types of the question we will do and you will understand the concept. Under root of x square minus 25. I wrote it if the expression is in the root, that means I should take it greater than equal to 0. Greater than equal to 0. Make it a factorization. It become x minus 5 into x plus 5 greater than equal to 0. To understand domain, we can make a number line. Now, I am writing minus infinity to infinity. What the values will come of x? Minus 5 and 5. I am writing here minus 5 and 5. Because my equation is greater than equal to 0 means I will take the x ka those values which satisfies this equation because the domain means the input. Now coming to that, I am going to minus infinity to minus 5. Check it once. Can you take any of the values? Let it be minus 6. Minus 6 minus 5 is become negative, and here also it become negative. So negative means positive. Minus 5 to 5, I will take it 0. If I am putting 0 here, it become negative into positive, become negative. 5 to infinity, let it be 6. 6 minus 5 and 6 plus 5 positive. What should I take to satisfy this equation? Only the positive values. I cannot take minus 5 to 5. So what will be my domain? The domain will be minus infinity to minus 5 union 5 to infinity. Now this is open bracket and this is the closed bracket. The meaning is that I cannot take the infinity as here any value, because infinity is not a value, it is a limit. You should always take the open bracket for the infinity, never take the closed bracket. And I took it -5 and 5 to the closed bracket because we can take these values. This is your domain. Second part, first of all, we need to factorize if it is a quadratic equation. So we can check it if we can factorize or not. X square minus 3x plus 2. X square minus 2x minus x plus 2, I took it. Now it become x common x minus 2 minus 1 common x minus 2. Now this become x minus 2 into x minus 1. The first question is like a second question. We need to take it as greater than equal to 0. Now x minus greater than equal to 0. What the values of x are coming? 2 and 1. Make a number line. Minus infinity to infinity. This become 1 and this become 2. Check it once. Minus infinity to 1. That means I will take it, let it be -1. If I am putting -1 here, what will come? Negative value will come. Here also negative value will come. That become positive. 1 to 2. If I am putting 1 to 2, it becomes 0. Let it be, we will take the simple one 0. So it become negative, and it also, 0 I have taken. So this my mistake, sorry. 1 to 2 hai. So we will take it 1.5. So 1.5 minus 2 become negative, and 1.5 minus 1 is positive. This also become negative. Now 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity means I can take the value 3. So if I will take the value 3, it become positive and it also become positive. Positive into positive is positive. That means my equation is satisfying this and this interval. The domain will be, that means minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. Now the third question is like this. Need to check always the denominator if it comes in a p by q ka form. I have taken, that means all the denominator's value shouldn't equals to 0, because it won't satisfies our equation. If one of the value will be 0, the whole expression become infinity, that we don't want. So what we will do, the denominator is not equal to 0. This implies that I can say that x not equal to 1, not equal to 2, not equal to 3. What will be your domain? All the real numbers but except 1, 2, 3. Got your answer. Now fx is equal to log of this function. Now if we see the log, दिमाग खराब हो जाता है, लेकिन मत करो दिमाग खराब. अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. हमें पता है कि log का वैल्यू इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 0. वी कैन नॉट टेक इट लेस देन 0. व्हाट इज द एक्सप्रेशन? x square minus 4x plus 3 should be greater than 0. बच्चों please don't take it greater than equal to 0, because the function is log only. Now I will take it, I factorize it. Minus 3x minus x plus 3 greater than 0. X minus 3 minus 1 and x minus 3. It came x minus 3 into x minus 1 greater than 0. Make a number line. Number line minus infinity to infinity. What's the value? 1 and 3. Now coming to minus infinity to 1, what should be your number? Let it be 0. 0 and 0, it's become negative. It's become negative means it become positive. Coming to 1 and 3, taking 2 minus 3 negative, 2 minus 1 positive, negative. 3 to infinity, naturally it become positive. The interval which satisfies our equation is this and this for this equation. Now the domain will be minus infinity to 1 union 3 to infinity. Now f of x is equal to sine of log of under root of 4 minus x square by 1 minus x. If log would not be there, so what you will take it, it is greater than equal to the numerator part and the denominator part will be greater than 0. But it is a log, so we should take the whole thing greater than 0 only. So I will take it 4 minus x square greater than 0, 1 minus x greater than 0. Now I will factorize it 2 minus x into 2 plus x greater than 0. I will take it minus common from there to make it x positive. So it become x minus 2, x plus 2 less than 0, because in inequality when we multiply with the negative sign, the sign will change. Greater become less and less become greater. Now I got this part. My condition is this only. My condition is this only means I need to check it with the 1. It become 2 and it minus 2 and 2. Let's take some values. Minus infinity to minus 2. Let it be 0. Minus 3. Minus 3 if I am taking, so it become negative, or here also it become negative. That become positive. Now coming to the minus 2 to 2. Let's take 0. Negative and positive, it become negative. Let's take the 2 to infinity, 3. 3 minus 2 positive, and this also become positive. I got positive. What is my condition satisfies less than 0? I cannot take these two. I should take this. That means the domain will be minus 2 to 2 satisfies this equation. This is the end of the today's video. I hope you like it because domain function topic is so tough. आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.